Want to finally start making money online in 2025? The truth is, the opportunities have never been bigger. With AI tools, digital platforms, and global demand, anyone can start building income streams today, even with little to no upfront cost. In this video, I'll break down the 5 best digital income streams you can start right now in 2025, and I'll share how you can turn each one into real cash flow. So stick with me until the end. I've got a bonus tip that could double your results. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are booming in 2025. Businesses are outsourcing everything, from graphic design, copywriting, and video editing to virtual assistants and AI prompt engineering. Here's the secret: niche down. Don't just be a designer. Be the person who creates YouTube thumbnails that get clicks or AI-optimized blog posts. Niche services stand out and charge higher rates. Example: a freelancer charging $10 per thumbnail last year is now making $1,000 plus monthly from repeat clients. It's a real, practical income stream. Second, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest digital income streams to start because you don't need your own product. You simply recommend products and earn a commission when people buy. In 2025, the hot niches are AI tools and software subscriptions. People are hunting for the next ChatGPT-style tools. Personal finance and investing apps. Health and fitness programs. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket affiliates, like software with recurring payments. Instead of $5 per sale, you could be earning $50, $200 every single month from one customer. Third, digital products. These are things you create once and sell infinitely. Think ebooks, templates, online courses, and digital downloads. Why is this powerful in 2025? AI tools have made it 10x faster to create. You can use ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and Gumroad or Systeme.io for selling. Example: a budgeting template on Etsy is making sellers thousands per month. That's pure passive income. No shipping, no inventory. Fourth, content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are still exploding. And no, you don't need a big following to earn. In 2025, creators make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links in descriptions, selling their own products. The fastest way to grow right now: faceless content. Use AI avatars or stock footage with voiceovers. People care about the value, not your face. I've seen channels grow from 0 to 50,000 subscribers in less than a year, simply by posting short-form videos consistently. Finally, print on demand and e-commerce. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or journals, and companies like Printful or Teespring handle the printing and shipping. The new twist in 2025? AI-generated designs. You don't need to be an artist. Tools like Midjourney can create unique designs in minutes. Imagine uploading 100 designs to Etsy or Shopify, and every time someone buys, you collect profit while the platform handles the rest. Here's the bonus: combine these streams. For example, create content on YouTube, promote affiliate products, and sell your own templates. That's when you stop trading time for money and start building multiple income flows. So there you have it, the 5 best digital income streams to start in 2025. Quick recap: 1. Freelancing and digital services. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Digital products. 4. Content creation. 5. Print on demand and e-commerce. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these income streams do you want to start first? Drop it in the comments. I read every reply. And if you found value in this, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who wants to start making money online. Because remember, in 2025, your phone can literally become your bank account if you use it right.